Yes, track light bars can use corded plugs through a device called a track adapter, or sometimes a track plug. Track adapters are designed to allow you to connect various electrical devices to a track lighting system. There are several configurations that these adapters come in. Firstly, there are plug-in adapters. These adapters let you plug a standard electrical cord into a track light fixture, which is useful for connecting devices that require power like lamps or fans. Secondly, you have hardwire adapters. These are used to hardwire a track light fixture directly to an electrical circuit, typically for permanent installations. Thirdly, you can find cordless adapters. These adapters allow you to power a track light fixture without needing to run wires, and they often operate using batteries or a rechargeable power source. To use a corded plug with a track light bar, you simply plug the adapter into the track and then plug the electrical device you want to use into the adapter. For example, you might want to add a lamp to a track lighting system. Using a plug-in adapter, you can easily connect the lamp to the track light bar, which can provide additional lighting or create a more ambient environment in the room. Another common use is to power a fan. By connecting a fan to the track light bar with the plug-in adapter, you can circulate air or provide cooling in the area. Generally, you can connect virtually any electrical device to a track light bar using a plug-in adapter, as long as the power requirements of the device are compatible with the adapter's specifications. Corded plugs used with track light bars are versatile and offer a convenient way to add extra lighting or power to a room. They are relatively easy to install and can be used with a wide range of electrical devices. When selecting a track adapter, consider the amperage rating of the track and ensure the devices you intend to connect do not exceed that rating. The track lighting system will have a maximum amperage rating. It's crucial to not overload the circuit, as this could create a fire hazard. Make sure the adapter you choose is compatible with the track lighting system you have. Track lighting systems come in different configurations, such as H-type, J-type, and L-type, and the adapter needs to match. If you're unsure about the compatibility, it's always a good idea to consult the manufacturer's specifications or ask an electrician. Pay attention to the voltage of the track lighting system and the devices you're connecting. Most track lighting systems in residential settings operate at 120 volts, but it's crucial to confirm this to avoid any damage to your devices or the system itself. Always use adapters that are certified by a recognized testing laboratory, such as UL or ATL. Certification ensures that the adapter has been tested for safety and meets industry standards. When installing the adapter, make sure the track lighting system is turned off. This prevents any electrical shock. Insert the adapter into the track carefully, ensuring that it clicks into place securely. This secure connection is essential for safe and reliable operation. If you're connecting a device with a 3-prong plug, ensure that the adapter is also designed to accommodate a 3-prong plug for proper grounding. Grounding is a critical safety feature that protects against electrical shock. Before using the adapter, inspect it for any signs of damage, such as cracks, frayed wires, or loose connections. If you notice any damage, do not use the adapter and replace it immediately. Keep the area around the track lighting system and adapters clear of any obstructions, such as curtains, furniture, or flammable materials. This helps to prevent overheating and reduces the risk of fire. If you are using multiple adapters on a single track lighting system, distribute the load evenly across the track to avoid overloading any one section. Overloading can cause the track to overheat and potentially damage the system. If you're not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it's always best to hire a qualified electrician to install the track adapters and connect the devices. The electrical work can be dangerous, and it's important to take precautions to ensure your safety and the safety of your home. For lighting, you can use track lighting to accent artwork, highlight architectural details, or provide task lighting in specific areas of a room. The flexibility of track lighting allows you to adjust the position and direction of the lights to suit your needs. For fans, you can use track lighting to power small fans in areas where ceiling fans are not practical, such as in a workshop or home office. The fan can help to improve air circulation and keep you cool while you work. For other electrical devices, You can use track lighting to power a variety of other electrical devices, such as phone chargers, portable speakers, or small appliances. This can be useful in areas where there are limited outlets or where you want to keep cords out of sight. When choosing a track adapter, consider the style and finish of your track lighting system. You'll want to choose an adapter that complements the overall look of the system and blends in seamlessly. Track adapters are available in a variety of colors and finishes, so you can find one that matches your existing fixtures. Consider the size and weight of the device you'll be connecting to the track adapter. You'll want to choose an adapter that is strong enough to support the weight of the device and won't put undue stress on the track lighting system. Some adapters are designed for heavier devices and have additional support features. When using track adapters, be sure to follow all safety precautions and guidelines. Always turn off the power to the track lighting system before installing or removing an adapter. Never overload the track lighting system with too many devices. Inspect the adapters regularly for any signs of wear or damage. If you're not sure how to use a track adapter safely, consult a qualified electrician. In addition to plug-in, hardwire, and cordless adapters, there are also other types of track adapters available, such as dimmer adapters and remote control adapters. Dimmer adapters allow you to control the brightness of the lights connected to the track lighting system. Remote control adapters allow you to turn the lights on and off or adjust the brightness from a distance. The materials that track adapters are made from vary. Typically you will see plastic, metal, and combinations of materials. Plastic adapters are lightweight and inexpensive, but they may not be as durable as metal adapters. Metal adapters are more durable and can withstand more wear and tear, but they may also be more expensive. Combination adapters offer a balance of durability and affordability. The shape and size of track adapters vary depending on the type of adapter and the manufacturer. Some adapters are small and compact, while others are larger and more bulky. Consider the size and shape of the adapter when choosing one for your track lighting system. The wattage capacity of track adapters is an important consideration. Be sure to choose an adapter that is rated for the wattage of the device you'll be connecting to it. Overloading an adapter can cause it to overheat and potentially damage the track lighting system. Some track adapters have built-in surge protection to protect the devices connected to them from power surges. If you live in an area with frequent power surges, consider choosing an adapter with surge protection. The cost of track adapters varies depending on the type of adapter, the manufacturer, and the features it offers. Plug-in adapters are typically the least expensive, while hardwire adapters and cordless adapters are more expensive. Features such as dimmer control, remote control, and surge protection can also add to the cost of the adapter. When choosing a track adapter, read reviews from other customers to get an idea of the quality and performance of the adapter. Customer reviews can provide valuable insights into the pros and cons of different adapters. Track lighting systems and adapters are constantly evolving with new technologies and features. Stay up to date on the latest innovations to ensure that you're using the best possible products for your needs. The lifespan of track adapters varies depending on the quality of the adapter and how often it's used. With proper care and maintenance, a track adapter can last for many years. Regularly clean the track lighting system and adapters to remove dust and debris. Dust and debris can accumulate on the track and adapters, which can reduce their performance and lifespan. Use a soft cloth or brush to clean the track and adapters. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the finish. If you're not using a track adapter, store it in a safe place where it won't be damaged. Avoid storing adapters in damp or humid environment, as this can cause corrosion. Periodically check the track lighting system and adapters for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any problems, such as loose connections, frayed wires, or cracked housings, repair or replace the affected components immediately. Proper maintenance is essential for ensuring the safety and performance of your track lighting system. Consider consulting with a qualified electrician for guidance on selecting, installing, and maintaining track lighting systems and adapters. An electrician can provide expert advice and ensure that your system is installed safely and correctly. Track lighting systems and adapters are a versatile and convenient way to add lighting and power to your home or business. By understanding the different types of adapters available and following proper safety precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of track lighting for many years to come. Remember to check the National Electrical Code, or NEC, for specific requirements related to track lighting installations. For example, NEC Section 410.151 covers the installation of track lighting. It's important to comply with all applicable codes and regulations to ensure the safety of your installation. Pay attention to the ampacity of the conductors used in the track lighting system. The conductors must be sized appropriately for the load they will be carrying. Consult NEC Table 310.15b16 to determine the ampacity of conductors based on their size and insulation type. Ensure that all connections in the track lighting system are properly made and secured. Loose connections can create a fire hazard. Use appropriate connectors and tools to make secure connections. Grounding is essential for electrical safety. Make sure the track lighting system is properly grounded to protect against electrical shock. Consult NEC Section 250 for grounding requirements. When installing track lighting in damp or wet locations, use fixtures and adapters that are rated for those environments. These fixtures are designed to protect against moisture and prevent electrical shock. Avoid running track lighting through walls or ceilings unless it is specifically designed for that purpose. Track lighting is typically surface-mounted and not intended for concealed wiring. Be aware of the potential for electromagnetic interference, or EMI, from track lighting systems. EMI can interfere with other electronic devices. Consider using shielded track lighting systems or taking other measures to minimize EMI. When disposing of old track lighting fixtures and adapters, follow proper recycling procedures. Many communities have recycling programs for electronic waste. Dispose of your old fixtures and adapters responsibly to protect the environment. Keep in mind that track lighting systems and adapters are subject to change over time. Manufacturers may introduce new products or modify existing ones. Stay informed about the latest developments in track lighting technology to ensure that you're using the best possible products. Consider the energy efficiency of track lighting systems and adapters. Choose energy-efficient fixtures and adapters to save money on your electricity bill and reduce your environmental impact. LED track lighting is a popular choice for its energy efficiency and long lifespan. Finally, remember that safety is always the top priority when working with electrical systems. If you're not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to install and maintain your track lighting system.